Hey everybody, today we're working on a 2014 Escape that has a HID headlight bulb, and I don't know why Ford did this, but if you look right in here you can see the whole HID headlight assembly here, and this doesn't unscrew like normally. If you look over here in this corner here, there is a T10 torque screw here. There's also another one on the other side. You have to take those two T10s out and then lift up on this so the headlight module will pop out. They want you to pull the headlights out. I'm going to try to take and do it without doing it. All right, so what I did use is I used a T10. There are the two screws that hold this headlight bulb in. There's a screw there and a screw there. So now we need a DS3 bulb, and now also too on this metal plate comes off and you put it on the new bulb. So this was the easy part. The hard part is going to be getting the two screws back in the car. But there you go, everybody. That's how you get the HID bulbs out of a 2012 Escape. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner. Please give me a thumbs up if you like the videos.